Welcome to a space where kindness and connection are at the heart of everything we do. Even when we feel we have nothing to give, remember that there is always something valuable we can offer. Join us as we explore the profound impact of simple gestures, the warmth of a hug, the comfort of shared silence, and the strength of a listening ear. In a world where even the smallest acts of empathy and presence can shine brightly, discover how our genuine care can make a meaningful difference. So, if you believe in the power of connection and compassion, make sure to subscribe to the Jingcha Billionaire channel. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and follow us on this beautiful journey.
When we have nothing to give, let us give that nothing. When we have nothing to give, we can share a moment of silence together. When we have nothing to give, we can lend a listening ear. When we have nothing to give, our presence can be a source of comfort. When we have nothing to give, a kind word can make a difference. When we have nothing to give, we can simply be there for someone. When we have nothing to give, a warm hug can speak volumes. When we have nothing to give, our understanding can be a great gift. When we have nothing to give, our empathy can mean the world. When we have nothing to give, a shared laugh can lift spirits. When we have nothing to give, our attention can be a precious resource. When we have nothing to give, a gentle touch can show we care. When we have nothing to give, a moment of companionship can be enough. When we have nothing to give, a simple act of kindness can shine. When we have nothing to give, our presence can be a quiet support. When we have nothing to give, a few minutes of our time can be valuable. When we have nothing to give, our patience can be a wonderful gift. When we have nothing to give, a shared experience can be fulfilling. When we have nothing to give, we can still offer our thoughts. When we have nothing to give, our sincerity can be touching. When we have nothing to give, our willingness to listen is a treasure. When we have nothing to give, a gentle word can offer solace. When we have nothing to give, our presence can bring calm. When we have nothing to give, a reassuring glance can be meaningful. When we have nothing to give, we can offer a heartfelt prayer. When we have nothing to give, a shared silence can be comforting. When we have nothing to give, our support can be a silent strength. When we have nothing to give, a moment of reflection can be a gift. When we have nothing to give, our company can be a welcome break. When we have nothing to give, we can still offer a smile. When we have nothing to give, our respect can be a valuable gesture. When we have nothing to give, a shared space can be enough. When we have nothing to give, our openness can be a gentle gift. When we have nothing to give, a smile can brighten someone's day.